Hey everyone, George from ZenHub here with another 2.5 minute tutorial. This tutorial will cover roadmaps. Roadmaps show you, at a glance, the live progress of an entire portfolio of work. What do they look like in ZenHub? Well, they look like this. We're going to start as a current user. Since we have a bunch of epics already that represent our short-term goals, we'll group them together using projects. Think of projects like folders for your epics. Let's create a few to represent the long-term goals that our epics roll up into. All right, first, we'll click the green button, then create new project, and put in a title. We'll click save, and then we need to set a desired start and end date for this. So we'll come in here, we'll say that this runs between May 15th and June 26th. Now, we need a few more. Okay, you'll notice I staggered the start and end dates a little bit just on the weekends because when I refresh, sorting is all done by date. Now that we have some projects, let's add some of our pre-existing epics to them. We just click the plus button and then use type ahead to find our epics quickly. Click a start and end date and then set the timeline. Okay, so let's add a bunch. Now that I've added epics to these projects, we can immediately see that the desired start and end dates that we set do not line up with reality. To make this even easier, we can flip on red, yellow, green color coding for the risk assessment. That lets you see status across an entire portfolio of work at a glance. You can also switch on predicted end dates, and ZenHub will show you when each of your epics might wrap up given your current rate and pace. Easy, right? Yeah, it is. See you next time.